Story 2. It is said that a gentleman possessed a slave of exquisite beauty, whom he regarded with love and affection. He nevertheless said to a friend, "Would that this slave of mine, with all the beauty and good qualities he possesses, had not a long, uncivil tongue." He replied, "Brother, do not expect service after professing friendship, because when relations between lover and beloved come in, the relations between master and servant are superseded. When a master with a fairy-faced slave begins to play and to laugh, what wonder if the latter coquettes like the master, and the gentleman bears it like a slave. A slave is to draw water and make bricks. A pampered slave will strike with the fist." And there is problems with the house slave mentality, you could say. But then again, when we talk about slaves, we're not, in the Islamic vision, none of the injustices of slavery occur. There's not the, none of them are supported. There's not forced marriages. There's not the breaking up of families in terms of at least spouses and children. Parent, child, and then the spouses. There's not the various abuses, but the point is that there's a way that the person who's put in a subordinate position can render a sort of influence, and there's going to be changes with both, and relationships do that. Is that sometimes when you move on to a different stage, that you're not just, oh well, this is an employee and all that stuff, then some stuff goes through. But it's not always demeaning. A boss befriends their employee, and then they can joke around and stuff, or intermarry between each other's families and stuff like that. So, so a lot of good can come from all that.